नमस्कार आम सहित अच्छा रिनाउंड गैस्ट्रोएंटरोलॉजिस्ट एंड लिवर स्पेशलिस्ट पद्मश्री डॉक्टर सुब्रत आचार्य चलतु सहित कथा सर नमस्कार सर आपड़ जेहतु रिनाउंड गैस्ट्रोएंटरोलॉजिस्ट दीर्घ 45 वर्षर एक्सपीरियंस आपण पाखरे अच्छी आपण जीवन में बहुत गैस लिवर एमती केसेस देखी थे एबे सर आम जदि गैस समस्या देखा एटा गोटे बयस सीमार सीमित हो ना छोट पिला स्टार्ट करके बुढ़ा जाए समस्त पाखे गैस समस्या अच्छी तो आपड़ से केमती देखती ये इश्यू एत मात्रा कहीं बढ़ुଛି
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग और कॉमन क्वेश्चन यू सी आपण गोटे टर्म मत कहले गैस डू यू सी गैस सो पीपल इंटरप्रेट सम सिम्पटम्स व्हिच दे फील as gas these symptoms can vary some people think कि गोटे भावे जब पेटटा फांपी गला लगे गैस भर्ती होगा किए भावे टी जलापोड़ा हारे छाती गैस जो जलापोड़ा होते लोक मुंड बिंधे गैस को मुंड ऊपर उठी जाते लोक पेटर पेन हुए गैस जो पेन हो सी वैरिड सिम्पटम्स बट कॉमन बिलीफ इज a gas so first thing this is myth right so when you consult a doctor gastroenterologist don't say that you have a gas right there is आउ गोटे प्रोब्लेम हो गैस गैस औषध खाऊँ मुझे कॉमनली देखी ओडिशा सेगुड़ा सब एसिड इनहिबिटर स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड इनहिबिटर इन योर स्टमक व्हेन इवोल्यूशनरी गॉड हैज गिवन यू दोज एसिड नॉट नेसेसरली यू शुड इनहिबिट इट इज स्पेसिफिक डिजीज जो जगह इनहिबिट करा जाए गैस कैन बी आल्सो फंक्शनल राइट नाउ इफ यू सी so there are various problems which people interpret as a gas so जने डॉक्टर रो काम होची जने मतलब गैस बोले कहूँ ऐसा ना गैस ही राइट तो आई हैव टू डिसेक्ट इट आउट मुझे पचारे फर्दर माने व्हाट डू यू मीन कौन असुविधा कौन तकलीफ हो जोटा को आप इंटरप्रेट कर गैस डिपेंडिंग अपॉन दैट वी प्रोग्रेस सो गैस इज नॉट ए डिजीज इट इज ए interpretation of some symptom by people in general. Am I clear? So, khali constipational pet bhari lagi ho, suppose you have not passed your bowel very clearly in the morning, you feel uncomfortable, you feel heavy, right? Now suppose you have some certain reason, right? Your stomach is not able to push the normal amount of swallowed air down, you will feel heavy, isn't it? Some people feel some discomfort because of something, somebody has gallstone, he feels mild pain and discomfort, he will think it is gas. Some people have some reflux, acid, mild burning, he will feel it is gas. Some people have headache, they think it is gas, it has nothing to do with your tummy.
सर तो जड़े केमती जानिबो देखो गैस समस्या अछि
दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई वी डिसेक्ट इट आउट फर्दर वी क्लोजली आस्क देम देन ट्राई टू हेल्प द पेशेंट आउट ताको हेल्प करिया को चेष्टा करू केमती से एक्सप्रेस करिवो हमको जे कोन तार हेछि अनेक समय देरी जे ब्लॉकेज जे पेशेंट बुझी परबे डाके म तो गैस कहूची म तो गैस्ट्रिक कहूची मैं बुझी पर न दियो गैस्ट्रिक कोन gastric is stomach related. Stomach is a part of the digestive system. So, you see, these words have got transgressed from medical vocabulary to the common language in a way that people have started using it very extensively without actually understanding it. It's not their fault. Even chemist dokan apna jai कहिबे gas मते होची tablet देलो से भी किसी बुझिबनी से गोटे आपन को प्रोटॉन पंप इनहिबिटर वेरियस अदर ड्रग्स मिले पैंटॉप आप शुणी पैंटोसिड नेक्सप्रो राजो दीज ड्रग्स एक्चुअली कट डाउन द एसिड इन द स्टमक ड्रामेटिकली विच इज नॉट वेरी गुड दे थिन योर बोन दे कैन कॉज डैमेज इन योर किडनी दे कैन कॉज बैक्टीरियल ओवरग्रोथ दे कैन कॉज लॉट ऑफ अदर प्रॉब्लम्स
so gas tablets are not advisable
not necessarily unless you have a specific reason for to be used. There are specific indications for using this drug.
सर मन इच्छा जो गैस टैबलेट्स खाउछंती तार कोन सब साइड इफेक्ट्स अछि सेटा देह को केमती खराब करूछि
long term use first thing one thing is when you withdraw there is a rebound acidity so you feel discomfort. Second, long-term use can cause osteoporosis, thinning of the bone, from fracture. Long-term PPI use has been implicated in interstitial nephritis, interstitial form of kidney disease. Long-term use of PPI acid suppress कर देले हम intestine रे बैक्टीरिया गुड़ा को ग्रो करी जाए. Intestinal bacterial overgrowth है पारे, diarrhea भी है पारे. Usual common symptoms. It can have interaction with other drugs also if you are simultaneously taking some other.
सो जो गैस्ट्राइटिस को लाइफस्टाइल टा केते ट्रिगर करे लाइफस्टाइल रो रोल कोन गैस्ट्रिक को ट्रिगर करिवार
Lifestyle causes gastritis. Lifestyle can trigger many diseases. Right, today lifestyle related diseases are major diseases. आज को आम जन सब पिला थिलु आम जन पाठ पढ़ुलु आम देश में मेजर कॉज ऑफ डिजीज इन्फेक्टिव डिजीज थिला. मलेरिया रे लोक मरुथले, कलेरा रे मरुथले, स्मॉल पॉक्स रे मरुथले, राइट, टीबी रे मरुथले. एबे आपण सुनुछन का टीबी, मलेरिया, स्मॉल पॉक्स, कलेरा मरे लोक तो कोथरे मरुछन कैंसर, हार्ट अटैक रे, डायबिटीज रिलेटेड कॉम्प्लिकेशन रे एथिरे मरुछन. याको कहते डेमोग्राफिक शिफ्ट ऑफ द इटियोलॉजी ऑफ द डिजीज. जो डिजीज पैटर्न शिफ्ट हो गला, डिजीज रो कॉज शिफ्ट हो गला, डिजीज जो थी मृत्यु को शिफ्ट हो गला. एंड ऑल दिस डिजीज आर क्रॉनिक डिजीज. इन्फेक्टिव डिजीज आर एक्यूट डिजीज. औषध देले भल हो गला. दीज आर इनक्यूरेबल डिजीज. And all these diseases are related to lifestyle. What is that exactly in pointing out? Sedentary lifestyle. Apanakar culture system has changed. It's not your fault. Time has brought in progress, so-called progress. You are as a young lady has never gone to a school walking.
No.
I have gone walking miles. So walking. See the example. Cycling, I have gone to school, college to cycling. You have never gone to school by cycling, right? Now, people, first thing sedentary habit. People stop doing their daily, day-to-day activity by putting in physical work, and they didn't replace it active exercises. Third thing, the type of food you ate has changed. Now, very easily you have access to food I call with high glycemic index. माने सांगे सांगे absorb हो, बहुत glucose बढ़ियो, बहुत insulin बढ़ियो. For example, widely available आपण माने खाउचंती भी pizza. You like pizza? You like a Coke? You like a burger? You like little noodles? You like little patties? You like they're bad foods. They will jack up your sugar and jack up insulin. Insulin convert this into fat, and you don't burn them, and you don't need them. Extra fat food, they get stored as fat. They will get, there are very detailed scientific medical technology and things like that. I'm explain kursi lay language. They will get stored where? They will stored in the fat cell. But again, the fat cell has a limit. Second thing, as Asians, we have very less fat cell under the skin. You have seen a North American? See केमती मोटा है, एमती मोटा, तो स्किन तले बहुत फैट अच्छी. तमें मोटा ले कोड़ी मोटा होचे, पेटर है. तम स्किन तले फैट नहीं. तो अल्प फैट इटी अच्छी, तो ये क्या टामी पाल्च. Rest of the fat will go liver, heart, vessels, brain, kidney, and heart is not good for organs. They call dysfunctions. Increased fat in the body is an inflammatory state. But a chemical maneve. This chemical cause vessel damage, can cause other damage. Fatty people are more prone to develop cancers, heart attack, diabetes. Diabetes involves all organs, liver disease, liver cirrhosis, liver cancer. So there is a demographic shift. कोई छोटो पिल्ला आजकल भेंडी भजा खाया भल लगे. See, I am giving a practical example. See, this is a big problem. So the school education, school obesity के आगरू पिला हम स्कूल को जाउथलो केते पिला कर पेट बाहरला के मोटा थिले के नथिले सब पतळ पतळ थिले. Child obesity एबे बढ़ी छी. 35% of your surveys is complete studies. About 35 to 40% of your children, school children are obese. and childhood obesity determines adulthood disease. बुझिपारे? Alcohol consumption, when this obese child come to the college, get into alcohol, smoking, they add fuel to the fire. So this is what happening to their lifestyle. Second, prolonged hour of sitting and working. Now you see, computer has become a habit. Third, fourth dimension, you are adding your postural position. You are not walking. Walking is now considered as a second smoking. So prolonged hour computer you are seeing, which affecting your brain, your eye, your spine, your muscle and your activity. So that has become a part of your lifestyle. So you see, I gave you example how there is a cultural shift resulting in lifestyle changes in day to practice, resulting in changes in disease pattern, right, which are not treatable diseases. These are manageable diseases.
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଡ୍ରାଷ୍ଟିକାଲି ଏବେ ଏତେ ମାନେ ରୋଗ ସମସ୍ୟା ବଢ଼ି ବଢ଼ି ଚାଲିଛି ଯେଉଁଟାକି 20 years ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ଏତେ ନଥିଲା। ତ ସାର୍ ଆମେ ଯଦି ସପୋଜ୍ ଜଣେ ସେମିତି କିଛି ସିମ୍ପଟମ୍ସ ଫେସ୍ କରୁଛି ଗ୍ୟାଷ୍ଟ୍ରାଇଟିସ୍ର, ତାକୁ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଡାକ୍ତରଙ୍କ ପରାମର୍ଶ କରିବା ଉଚିତ ନା ଘରେ ତାକୁ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ କିଛି ହୋମ୍ ରେମେଡ଼ି ଏମିତି ଅଛି ଯେଉଁଟାକି ସେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଇନଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ?
You see, when you have a disease which I will say compromises with your quality of life, सकाळ उठछ फ्रेश लगे ऑफिस जाऊछ 8-10 घंटा काम करि परछ घर को फेरछ क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ सांग सांगर कथा होछ खुशी लागुची हैप्पीनेस क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ राइट आ गुड होछ क्वांटिटी ऑफ लाइफ एवरेज लाइफ स्पैन I believe today in our country should be 80. Now up to 80 you have a qualitative life, that's the aim, right? Now when a individual thinks that his quality of life is not good or he doesn't feel well, sick, you feel sick, right, and cannot attend to your day-to-day functions, I think that's the time, both the time you should consult an expert who knows about your body, about your mind, who can hold your hand and try to crack the problem to solve kari paribo. That is the time when you should consult. Suppose you are working in a television company, your job is anchoring, okay? Now you are anchoring and taking interview from a person like me. You have to do this anchoring over 30 minutes. Say time is 30 minutes. Now you are unable to concentrate these 30 minutes for various reasons. Either you are not mentally very happy, very depressed, you are diabetic, or you are getting pain, your mind is getting diverted. For example though. So that's the type of thing, both mentally and physically, when you should immediately consult a doctor. He will help you.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for sparing your time and wisdom. We had to cut it here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.